is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. Come and sing with me. D is for dog, dog. E is for egg, e. F is for fish, fish. Sing along with me. ABC, follow me. Letters make sounds, we'll see. Sing them loud, sing them strong. Let's all sing along. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. Now we're learning fast. G is for jam, jam. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. Learning is a blast. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. Let's sing the rest. P is for penguin, penguin. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. Now just a few to go. V is for violin, violin. W is for whale, whale. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Let's finish up the song. Y is for yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now we know our